Introducing the Electronic Arcade Duck Gallery. Everyone's a winner in this fun and exciting version of the classic shooting game. You need to knock over as many ducks as possible in 60 seconds as they move across the stage. The ducks come in 3 sizes, so take aim at the smallest ones to increase your score. Carnival music and duck sounds add to the excitement, while the timer lets you know how much time is left. Can you knock over all the ducks in one round? Electronic Arcade Duck Gallery, available now.
Teenies, micro beads, maximum glamour. Create your design. Spray, wait, and wear. Design your own jewelry and accessorize. What will you make with Beatos Teenies, each sold separately. New from Moose.
Let the games begin. A people person in the room. A people, I'ma be the kid for the win. Let the games begin.
Buy these classic games today. Hasbro Gaming. Play your game.
Birds do it. Bees do it, even educated fleas do it.
Bring KY into your love nest.
Let's fall in love.
How about a swim?
I'm a little irregular today.
Don't you need Activia for my little issues? They're not that bad.
Summer's no time to put up with.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 638, effective until midnight Sunday. This watch includes the following county: Fairfield, Connecticut, and the following counties in New Jersey: Bergen, Essex, Hudson, Hunterdon, Middlesex, Monmouth, Morris, Passaic, Somerset, Sussex, Union, and Warren, and the following counties in New York: Bronx, Brooklyn, Nassau, Manhattan, Orange, Putnam, Queens, Staten Island, Rockland, and Westchester, and the following marine locations: Long Island Sound west of New Haven, Connecticut to Port Jefferson, New York, New York Harbor, Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles, and coastal waters from Sandy Hook to Manasquan Inlet, New Jersey out 20 nautical miles. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
McDonald's is 24 hours. Come down to Mac tonight. 24 hours round the clock. Come on down to Mac tonight.
Take my hands. Close your eyes. Now feel.
July 21st, rated PG-13.
There are these troublemakers who got grounded all the time. Like Kalu gets grounded.
No, I will not eat my meatloaf, peas, and mashed potatoes.
Kalu, we do not yell at the dinner table, and Dora gets grounded.
Dora, I can't believe you littered fruit and got sent to jail. You are grounded once you get out of prison.
The Awful Life of Kalu and Dora. Saturdays at 7 p.m. on Go Animate Network.
We love to play. On Nick Jr. on CBS.
This is Go Animate Network.
We love to play with Lazy Town, Miss Spider, Dora the Explorer, Little Bill, and Blue's Clues on Nick Jr. on CBS.